Hi viewers, welcome to HowTo channel. I'm Karthik, working as a cloud architect in IT company. This channel is being run by myself along with my fiancée Divya. She is working as a software designer in an IT company. The purpose of this channel is to educate people and try to take down complex and simple problems and try to give simple solutions for people to use. The idea is to put all the videos in less than 5 minutes, and we are planning to release a video every Saturday. And the topics covered in this channel will be ranging from tech to day-to-day life, tips, tricks, and hacks. Uh, and these are the contents that would make you feel, is it that simple? Wow. I think those are the kind of contents that we're targeting to put in this channel. The topic for the day is to add uber cool, virtual backgrounds to your Zoom calls basically. So both myself and my fiance are Game of Thrones fans, so I'm just gonna show you some really nice, Game of Thrones backgrounds as my image and video backgrounds. So let's see how to add one. So here you have this option to choose the virtual background, and here you have this option of plus, which says go ahead and add an image or a video. These are some of the pre-baked ones. So I have downloaded already a picture and a video for this demo purpose, so I'm just gonna put it as my background. Voila. So it's pretty cool to sit on an iron throne during your meetings, right? And then your boss is gonna be pretty impressed. So I'm just gonna try to add a video as well to see how it looks like, and yeah, it's gonna be in the Zoom background. So I already prepared one. So this is again from Game of Thrones, and as you can see, the dragon or the Drogon, it's fighting, right? So it's pretty simple to actually add a video or a image to your actual Zoom backgrounds and make it a bit more cooler than just sitting in a random places. You don't need to worry about how your backgrounds look like and whatnot. So it's a pretty new feature from Zoom, and I hope this video has been really helpful for you guys. And please do share, like, subscribe, and comment on the video, and let us know what kind of content would you like to see on this channel. Thanks for watching.